Dear Bookworms, today we're going to be reading the book The Planets by Bauer. Chapter 1. What is a planet? Take a look at this picture. You can see the moon, right? But there's something else glowing in the night sky. Those tiny dots of light are planets. You can get a great look at some of the planets with a telescope. Planets are round like balls. They travel through space at amazing speeds. Fast fact: Venus looks like this through a telescope. It travels nearly 80,000 miles per hour. Guess what? Our home, the Earth, is a planet. The Earth is one of 8 planets. Some are bigger than the Earth and some are smaller. All of the planets orbit around the sun. My very eager mother just served us noodles. This sentence can help you remember the 8 planets in order: my, Mercury, very, Venus, and so on. The 4 planets closest to the sun are called the inner planets. The other 4 are called the outer planets. Let's take a space tour to learn all about them. Fast fact: in 2006, scientists decided that Pluto was too small to be called a planet. They decided it should be called a dwarf planet instead. That means there are now 8 planets, not 9. Chapter 2. The Inner Planets. The planet Mercury is closest to the sun. It gets super hot during the day. The surface of Mercury is covered with craters, just like the moon. The planet Venus has lots of volcanoes. The air is filled with thick clouds of poisonous gas. The gas smells like rotten eggs. Yuck. Close up. This is a volcano on Venus. The planet Earth is just the right distance from the sun for living things. It is not too hot or too cold. More than 6.5 billion people live here. This is Africa. The planet Mars has a reddish color. Space probes have visited there, but nobody was on board. The probes took pictures and sent them back to Earth. Fast fact: this space probe is called the Mars rover. Chapter 3. The Outer Planets. The planet Jupiter is huge. It is the largest planet in the whole solar system. Want to hear another amazing fact? Jupiter has 63 moons. Close up. This is one of Jupiter's moons. The planet Saturn has many rings. The rings are made of pieces of ice and rock. Some of the pieces are as small as marbles. Others are as big as houses. Fast fact: don't try counting the rings. Saturn has thousands of them. The planets Uranus and Neptune have a lot in common. Both are about the same size. Both are made of gas and both are icy cold. That is because they are so far away from the sun. Fast fact: Uranus has 11 vertical rings. Fast fact: Neptune's winds can blow 1,200 miles per hour. What is this tiny brownish ball? Pluto! Pluto is so small that scientists have decided to call it a dwarf planet instead of a regular planet. Wow! Every day we are learning brand new things about space. Fast fact: Pluto is made of a combination of rock and ice. Glossary. Combination: 2 or more things that are put together. Dwarf planet: a heavenly body that orbits the sun but is smaller and different in character than a regular planet. Orbit: the invisible path followed by an object circling a planet or the sun. Space probe: a remote-controlled unmanned craft that travels in space. Telescope: An instrument that makes faraway objects such as planets look closer. Vertical, straight up and down. Comprehension questions. Can you explain what a planet is in your own words? Can you remember the names of all 8 planets? Use this sentence to help you. My very eager mother just served us noodles. Which planet is your favorite? Tell why in the comments. I hope you liked today's video. Bye!